everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Eileen and today we're going to make cream cheese flan. The ingredients you'll need are 4 eggs, vanilla extract, cream cheese, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 3/4 cup of sugar. You're going to add all your ingredients to the bowl, your eggs, your condensed milk, your evaporated milk, your vanilla extract, and your cream cheese. Then you're going to use your electric mixer to get everything mixed well. At this point, you should go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I forgot to mention that I had set out my cream cheese and my eggs about 2 hours before I started to make this recipe. I mixed until well combined, which was about 1 to 2 minutes. Add your 3/4 cup of sugar to a saucepan on medium heat and dissolve till it gets to a caramel color. Then you're going to quickly place in your pan and spread out evenly. Since I didn't use a blender, I went ahead and strained my custard so that it would be more of a liquid consistency. You then pour it into the pan where you have your caramelized sugar. I then added hot water to a pan and placed my flan inside where it was filled halfway to the top. It baked at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Once I removed it, I went ahead and ran a knife through the edges so that it would unstick. Then I let it rest outside for 30 minutes and went ahead and refrigerated it for 1 hour. And then once out, I went ahead and flipped it. This part is always so scary. I always feel like it's gonna stick and not come out right, but it will. As long as you refrigerate it before you flip it, it will not stick. Such an easy recipe, and it turned out creamy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed another one of my easy recipes. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.